Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed and details monosaccharides, and today we are going to study next types of carbohydrates, which is disaccharides. So, let's discuss and details that what are disaccharides. So, let's start. What are disaccharides? Disaccharides are carbohydrates formed by the combination of two monosaccharides unit joined together by a glycosidic bond. The word di means two. General formula: most disaccharides have the formula C12H22O11. Formation of disaccharides: disaccharides are formed by a condensation reaction between two monosaccharides. General reactions: monosaccharides plus monosaccharides give disaccharides plus H2O. Example: glucose plus glucose give maltose plus H2O. Glycosidic bond. The bond formed between two sugar molecules is called glycosidic linkage. It is formed by removal of one water molecules joining of two sugar units. Important examples of disaccharides: first one is sucrose, table sugar, composition glucose plus fructose, give sucrose plus H2O. Sources: sugarcane, sugar beet, fruits. Uses: sweetening agents, food industry. Second one, lactose, milk sugar, composition glucose plus galactose, give lactose plus H2O. Sources: milk, dairy products. Importance: provide energy to infants. Third one, maltose, malt sugar, composition glucose plus glucose, give maltose plus H2O. Sources: germinating grains, malted foods. Physical properties of disaccharides: sweet in taste, crystalline solids, soluble in water, colorless compounds. Chemical properties of disaccharides: first one, hydrolysis. Disaccharides break down into monosaccharides when hydrolyzed. Example: sucrose plus H2O give glucose plus fructose. Second one, fermentation. Some disaccharides can ferment after hydrolysis into monosaccharides. Example: glucose give ethanol plus CO2. Third one, oxidation and reduction. Disaccharides containing free aldehyde or ketone groups can undergo redox reactions. Biological importance of disaccharides: provide energy, found in common foods, help in metabolism, important in nutrition. Important exam points: made of two monosaccharides, linked by glycosidic bond, hydrolysis gives simple sugars. General formula is C12H22O11. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on disaccharides. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.